This is our breakfast view. Breakfast may be half an hour time in, but we've come to this cafe called West Side Cafe and Grill. And look at that view. And we have the next politician of Denver here.
No comments.
Boulder Red Rocks.
No comments.
Richa Falls State Park it is, guys.
Your destination is on the right.
Let's go in. Let's start the hike. How do you feel about the hike, guys? Actually, woohoo! ये देखो मेरे पति ये देखो मेरे पति This is a secret spot on the top where you can come and look at the waterfall. Guys, tourism के पैसे मिल गए वापस.
This girl owes me $5,000. Find her.
Hi sahab, it's so pretty.
Go.
You go from there.
Yes.
Go.
We have one Sherpa going.
जा.
He's a scared Sherpa. He'll do flashlight now.
तुम वापस आ जाओ बेटा, हो गया.
This is what your follower does.
Sends
her husband. Oh.
देख तेरे पीछे ही है क्या?
Good job.
चलो आगे बढ़ो.
अंदर तुम्हें flashlight. Very scary, dude. I'm scared. High charge, please. No comment.
Things you do to get views. Hike. It's tiring, guys. We are doing it at 3 o'clock, middle of the sun. Let's go. It's really tiring, but we're going to see the top of the waterfall. Hope the view is worth it. Let's go.
Hare Rama, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna.
And we have reached the top of the waterfall. Crazy view from here. This is how the waterfall starts, and this is how it goes ahead. Cool, bro. Let's go. If you're not following me on Instagram, you have to follow, because there is where, you know, कि ये कहाँ से हुआ था ये हाल. Okay, go follow some stuff. This is so pretty. This place is so beautiful. We are sitting at a random gas station because we wanted to get some gas, and this is surreal, bro. Very pretty. This street is, I don't know why people don't come here often. You should come more to Colorado, guys. It's beautiful. It is, honestly. But we are heading back home. We're done with our trip. Tomorrow is Monday, but we wanted to relax. So heading back home, but we're gonna do a South Indian stop before that. I'm gonna show you that.